What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Major Vernon Jack, Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Hey, man, I heard at the latest flip, man, property we picked up last month. Tenant finally moved out, so first time I've actually been inside the house. We bought it last month. I had a 30-day lease back, and it was owner occupied, man. Came through a JV referral. Um, and this first time, man, got the call that they moved out, so we're about to check it out and see the condition of it. So stay tuned, man. uh, Now this property is actually pretty big, man. It's right around 4,000 square feet. I believe it's a 5 bedroom, 3.5 bath. So we definitely got a pretty nice size uh, property here. So just kind of give you a glimpse of this. Actually, probably one of the biggest properties I've uh, I've done. Square footage wise, bedroom wise, I've did massive additions where we've added about 400 square feet onto a house. But as far as actual original square footage, this is the biggest property that I've done. So just gonna check it out, man. Got the card at the people were out. Code work, so that's a plus. Okay. Well, house was pretty. We did get pictures and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to cut them on. Let's see. So we don't got no power. That's no good, but yeah, we gotta get power turned on. Get power turned on, man, so we can definitely see what we're working with. But yeah, it looks like they left a lot of things behind. But the pictures look good, man. The square footage, the comps was there, so this was kind of a no-brainer for us. Uh, you know, Partnering with my funding source on this one. So, like I say, I definitely have made it to the point to where utilizing 100% financing, you know, acquisition and rehab, making up for it through uh, you know, JVing on the deal, man. They left literally a lot of things. So we probably keep these, might keep the countertops, man. Do some cabinet repair, paint the cabinets. Maybe paint the cabinets gray. The uppers, paint the bottoms white. And we just originally had intentions on just a cosmetic rehab, Some of the fixtures, as you can see, that fixture is missing a blade. But if we can escape up out of this, man, with about well, I gotta walk it and kind of see. Without no lights, it's gonna be a little bit hard to get a definite budget, but okay, got a nice little TV area. Like, damn, man, they left all kind of stuff. So we wire for surround sound. Got some light problems there. Oh man, let's see here. Keys and stuff. Yeah, see, when we get properties like this, man, and it's so much like the people just moved out, but we get it's a lot of belongings, and like I literally just got the call yesterday that they moved out. Seeing this type of stuff left behind, uh, yeah. We gotta get something in writing to where we won't be held liable for See, like one thing about this house is in a good enough condition to where a coat of paint, new fixtures, and we're not looking to do a crazy extensive rehab. Like most people will come in and you know, blow out the bathrooms, make it a lot more efficient. Uh, Not going to do that. I'm just going to pretty much uh, keep it cosmetic. Uh, so this is the master. So we got the full bath and the master closet. Like I said, this is right at 4,000 square feet, so it's definitely a pretty big half bath. We got a should be the garage out here. Let's see what's going on out here. Shit like dog shit. Wow, so hold on. Now, kind of, we got two. So, we gotta get the plumbing check, man. Why would this be open? Like, while it's open, we'll definitely get it looked at. See, man, they just left all kind of crap. But this is what you get, man. So, never expect for, uh, clean house. Then we gotta replace this door jamb, some trim. A couple dollars. But you got living, dining, formal living. So we got just the master is downstairs. I never even seen the layout, man. So yeah, we just got the master downstairs, just some linen closet. So I think we're gonna get some neutral colors in here. You know, I like to stick to my normals. Get some grays. Make it light and airy. Change fixtures. Obviously new carpet. So kind of split up. Side over here, side over there. I'm gonna start over here, see what we got. Okay, that's the laundry area. I guess this will be a child's bedroom. So, closet, carpet paint, like literally. Like what we're gonna do in these, we're just gonna come back all white, blast them out, and leave it alone, man. Like nothing spectacular about this particular rehab. Nice wipe down, come back, paint, boom. I hate popcorn. I don't know yet if we gonna scrape the ceilings. I just hate popcorn. Now it would be cool to leave this mural up on the wall, but you don't know if someone is gonna use this as a never know what you find too, man. So hey, that's why I say we're gonna get in writing that they left everything behind. Like typically, I'm glad we walking it by ourselves, first. Uh, Typically your contractors, walk it with you and see stuff come back and, but we want to get everything in writing before we start removing anything, man, because you don't want to be liable, get a lawsuit on you, you know what I'm saying? You destroy someone's personal property, stuff like that. Trust me, it happens. Like This is super simple. Like boom, maybe and tear that down and new vanities. Replace the vanities. Light fixtures. Keep the mirror. Paint. New toilet. Uh, paint. Toilet paint fixtures. Uh, whatever patchwork. New vent covers. Super simple. And we might even just put a granite piece up here and leave the cabinets, paint the cabinets. So, like I said, once we get some light up in here, man, I'll come back and have a better idea.